Already we completed nearly 60 questions from last year NEET biology questions. Then today we have to discuss the remaining questions. Question number 61. The meiotic division of secondary oocyte is completed at option 1 at the time of fusion of sperm with an ovum. Then second option prior to ovulation. Option 3 at the time of copulation. Option 4 after zygote formation. Actually, meiotic division, second oocyte is completed at the time of fusion with sperm. Ovum is fused with sperm at the time of fusion. So this is the right answer. Next question number 62. Choose the correct pairs from the following. Option 1 exonucleases make cuts at the specific position with the DNA within DNA. Ligases join the two DNA molecules. Option 3 polymerases break the DNA into fragments. Then fourth one, nucleases separate the two strands of DNA. Actually, the correct option is option 2. Ligases join the two DNA molecules. So that is the correct pair. So others are wrong pairs. A, 1, 3, 4. So these are all wrong. Next question number 63. The first phase of translation is actually option 1. Recognition of an anticodon. 2. Binding of mRNA to ribosome. 3. Recognition of DNA molecule. 4. Amino acylation of tRNA. So the correct option is the first phase of translation is actually option 4. Amino acylation of tRNA. It is the first phase of translation. Next question number 64. From his experiment, S.L. Miller produced amino acid by mixing of following in a closed flask. CH3, H2, NH3 and water vapor at 600 degrees Celsius. Then methane, hydrogen, ammonia and water at 800 degrees Celsius. Then CH3, H2, NH4 and water vapor at 800 degrees Celsius. Next, methane, hydrogen, ammonia and water vapor at 600 degrees Celsius. So right option is option 2. Ammonia, hydrogen, methane, water vapor, ammonia, hydrogen, methane. So these are all in a closed flask. It produces amino acids at 800 degrees Celsius. Next question number 65. The embryological support for evolution was disproved by option 1 O'Brien, option 2 Carl Ernest von Baer, option 3 Alfred Wallace, option 4 Charles Darwin. Actually, embryological support for evolution was disproved by option 2 Carl Ernest von Baer. Next question number 66. Flippers of penguins and dolphins are examples of natural selection, adaptive radiation, convergent evolution, industrial mechanism. The right option is convergent evolution. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next question number 67. Which of the following refers to correct examples of organisms which have evolved due to changes in the environment brought about by anthropogenic action? Option A, Darwin finches, Galapagos Island. Then herbicide resistant weeds, drug resistant eukaryotes, man created breeds of domesticated animals like dogs. Actually, in these questions, the environmental changes by anthropogenic action. Actually, that means man-made actions. So what are the correct option? Option 4 is the correct answer, because herbicide resistant weeds are produced by man-made, and drug resistance also produced by anthropogenic, then man created domesticated animals like dogs. So these are all anthropogenic action. So option 4 is the right answer. Next question number 68. The infective stage of plasmodium that enters to human body is male gametocytes, trophozoites, sporozoites, female gametocytes. So correct answer is sporozoites. It is an infected stage of plasmodium that enter into human body. Next question number 69. Identify the wrong statement with reference to immunity. Option 1. Fetus receives some antibodies from mother. It is an example for passive immunity. So you have to select in this question wrong statement. Option 2. When exposed to antigen, antibodies are produced in host body, it is called active immunity. And option 3. When ready-made antibodies are directly given, it is called passive immunity. Then active immunity is a quick and give full response. So the correct option is option 4. It is wrong statement. So others are correct. So right option is 4. Next question number 70. By which method was a new breed Izzardale of sheep formed by using Pekinari, was Avis and Merino rams? Option 1 inbreeding, option 2 outcrossing, option 3 mutational breeding, option 4 crossbreeding. So right option is, so in this right option is crossbreeding. The fourth one is the right option. Now 70 questions are completed. Then remaining question we will complete in the next video.